Let's optimize your workflow today. Claude has a small but useful set of keyboard shortcuts, plus one powerful desktop app shortcut most people don't know about. Before we jump in, open up your web browser, navigate to claude.ai, and make sure you are looking at the main chat interface. Here's everyone, with exactly where your cursor needs to be before pressing them. The most important shortcut in Claude, Shift plus Enter. To utilize this, you must be clicked actively inside the input box at the bottom of the screen first. Press regular Enter and the message sends. Press Shift plus Enter and the cursor drops to the next line, so you can write structured, multi-line prompts without accidentally sending halfway through. I'll use this to write a numbered list. Each line is a new Shift plus Enter, then press regular Enter when I'm done to send. Press Escape at any time while Claude is generating and it stops immediately. This works from anywhere on the page, no click needed. If the answer is going in the wrong direction, or you just got what you needed halfway through, S cuts it off. Control plus N on Windows or Command plus N on Mac starts a new conversation from anywhere on claude.ai. No clicking the new chat button, no reaching for the sidebar. Type the shortcut and you've got a clean slate. For these next ones, make sure your cursor is placed back inside Claude's input box, because all the standard editing shortcuts work exactly as you'd expect. Control plus A selects everything you've typed. Control plus Z undoes your last change. Use it multiple times to step backwards through your edits. Home and End jump to the beginning or end of the current line. These aren't Claude specific. They're standard text editing, but knowing they work inside Claude's input box saves you from reaching for the mouse to fix a mistake mid-prompt. This next one is an incredible enhancement exclusive to the Claude desktop app, and it's the best reason to use the desktop version over the browser. Before you try this, make sure you have the official Claude desktop application downloaded, installed, and running quietly in the background. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Space from anywhere on your computer, any other app, any other window, and Claude immediately comes to the foreground. No clicking the taskbar, no switching windows manually. You're in a spreadsheet and need a quick analysis or answer. Ctrl plus Alt plus Space, ask Claude, get the answer, keep working. One shortcut and you're never more than a keystroke away from Claude. That's every Claude hotkey worth knowing. Shift plus Enter is the one you'll use constantly. The desktop shortcut is the one that changes how you work. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.